Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the loop component in Teams. So all I'm going to do is pull up a chat. Right now I have my chat with Courtney open, and I'm going to go down here to the ribbon and I'm going to click the little circle that says loop components. Within loop components, there are a bunch of options. So you could click a bulleted list, a checklist, a numbered list, a paragraph, which is just a collaborative paragraph where everyone can start working on it, a table, a voting table, and a task list. So I'm just going to click task list to show you guys how it works. Here I can create a task, um, and then once I assign it to someone, so we can just say I'm going to assign it to Courtney, and I'm going to select a date, which is going to be today. That's fine. And once I send that to her, it is going to show that she has a task to complete. And the cool part about the loop component feature is that it is going to sync across all of the Microsoft 365 apps. So you can find it in your email, you can find it in Teams, and then you can also find it in the list app. And then once you check it off, it will complete it over all of the apps as well. So it just connects them so that way you don't have to go through each app to find to check off what you've completed at that time. I hope you guys found this helpful. Thanks for watching.